through the fire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajili and I'm back with another video. So today's video I will be reading a true life story to you, and we'll discuss about it and share your views and everything. But before we get into that, I would like to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for being here, for clicking on my video, and for subscribing to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for being here and you are welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to share with your friends and your families, and I am sure by the end of this video you will be inspired by most of the hairstyles I have here. So yeah, so let's get into the story for today. So it goes like this: story of a guy who has sworn never to date again or marry. So this is the story. It says a male friend told me this story. His friend was dating a secondary school girl, but they had completed SHS waiting for their results. The girl's parents were very strict on her, so the only chance to see the lady was when she has been sent. One day, the guy had a call from the girl that she has. Okay, so the story goes like this: a story of a guy who has sworn never to date again or marry. A male friend told me this story. His friend was dating a secondary school girl, but had completed SHS waiting for their results. The girl's parents were very strict on her, so the only chance to see the lady was when she has been sent. One day, the guy had a call from the girl that she was coming over, that's to spend the night with him. With the mixed reactions, he asked her how, and the girl said her parents had traveled. With joy and all, he got everything set, and soon in the evening the girl came. The guy and the girl visited my friend and they went out together before the two went back to the guy's place to sleep. According to my friend, he received a call from his friend earlier dawn that woke him up from his sleep. His friend was crying and pleading with him to come to his place because he is in trouble. He hurriedly rushed to his friend's place and found the lifeless body of the girl in the bathroom, with the guy beside her crying. He asked what happened. Apparently, the girl wanted to bath when they got home, and that was the last time he saw the girl because he fell asleep while waiting for her to finish. But when he got up at dawn, the girl was not with him on the bed. He checked the bathroom, and that was when he realized she got electrocuted while she was bathing the previous night. The two guys were arrested by the police, but my friend was later released because his friend told the police about what happened. But the other guy was jailed and was not able to continue his education again, and till date has never been in a relationship again. Wow. So I don't know. I'm really speechless. So with a story like this, or with a case like this, what would you do if you were the girl's sister, her friend, or even her parents? Like it says, the guy was arrested, but to me, I think parents being too strict on their children, restricting them from doing stuff, it's not really a healthy thing to do when you have kids. I mean, you have to open up, like, not that you have to lose your guard or something, like, but the Bible says that spare the rod and spoil the child. No, but then you have to set boundaries and all, but then let your children be your friend. Okay, they can tell you stuff, they can open up to you without thinking, oh, mommy might be annoyed, mommy will be hungry, mommy will punish me for this or that. No, you have to approach situations with calculated wisdom, okay, so that they don't feel afraid to come to you when they are in trouble. What am I trying to say? All I'm trying to say is that I have friends who are good kids to their parents, that are good kids. Like, you know, when you see a good person, you see a decent person, you see someone who's not a baddie, who is not sports, like, you know, those kind of things. But her parents, especially her father, is very strict. And before you think, oh, the father is a pastor, no, the father is not a pastor. But the father is not a pastor, but the man is so strict on her kids. And this lady is my friend, but she's a very good girl. Amongst my friends, she is one of the good girls. I myself and her, yeah, like, she's just like me, like, you know, no trouble, nothing, like cool vibes, you know. But her father is very strict, and sometimes she has a boyfriend. I mean, she had a boyfriend at that time when in school, that was in tertiary. But the father was very strict, and when we were in school, she didn't get to stay in the hostel. She has to come from home to school, and she has a boyfriend. Sometimes, because of that, if we are doing nothing in school, she would use the opportunity to go to the boyfriend's place, and the father would think, oh, my child is in school learning and all of that, but she isn't. And she does stuff that the father doesn't know. She thinks, oh, the child is good and all of that, but she doesn't want to do that. I mean, she's in love with this guy, that she is in love with her, you know, the relationship has to be alive and all of that. Not that they do something bad when she visits, but then, you know, you have to see your man, and, you know, you guys have to have some time together, out and all of that. So sometimes I think to myself, I'm like, if I am a mother or a father, a mother, and I have a child, and my child is doing this, if I find out, it will really break me, because why will you be strict? Too much strictness is really not healthy. Okay, you just have to set boundaries and let them know that what they are doing is wrong. That's all. But you shouldn't be too strict. And most people that parents are too strict, they are even the baddies, they are the sport ones. Can you imagine a pastor's daughter will be in school, live a different life, and then when she's at home, she lives a different life? Like, it's so crazy. So if the father or mother, like, were very distant, I'm not saying that's the reason why she died, because from the story she was electrocuted allegedly, but still, okay, I mean, if she had a chance to, the father or mother allowed her, she would not sneak out to go and sleep at the guy's place at the first place, because they will set boundaries. They'll give rules, they'll tell you no sleeping over, you can go out and come up at this time, you see that thing. So all this electrocution and dying would have been prevented at the first place, but because no rules have been set, she's doing what is available for her. Please let me know, share your views and in the comment section, okay? So I'll leave you to enjoy the video to the end. Yes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so that I'm notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you all so much, and I love you. Bye.
never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.